Hey there, I am Sherry Samuels, the voice coach, and this is your thought for the week. So, last week, you may remember I talked about the importance of our words and being aware of the words that we use when we're talking to ourselves. We're always thinking about how we talk to other people and making sure that we're being respectful, but we have to remember that same thing for ourselves. But this week, I want to take it a step further. And, along with those words that are coming in and out of our thoughts throughout the day, we're always thinking about things, right? And sometimes those thoughts can feel overwhelming. Sometimes those thoughts make us feel like not good about ourselves and like we're doing the wrong things. Sometimes what I think about is that our thoughts can be like that toddler that we love, but that needs lots of attention. And in order to get our attention, sometimes they act out. Sometimes they do things that we may not love. Sometimes they're throwing themselves on the floor and having a whole temper tantrum, right? You remember that. If you've had children, been around children, you know that that happens. So the thing is, our thoughts can be very similar. If we get to this place where we're thinking things that we don't want and we want to push them away, and I want to push it away, and I want to push it away, and guess what? They're being ignored, and then they become like that child who wants our attention but doesn't seem to be able to get it. And so they feel like they're getting louder and louder and louder, and they become overwhelming, and we're feeling all of these things inside, and we're not even understanding what's going on. The thing is, it's important to take a moment to pause, to get connected to yourself, those thoughts, and see, what do you need in this moment? Asking yourself, what do I need in this moment? What do I need right now? What is happening inside of myself? Because when we take the time to be curious in that way, when we take the time to show ourselves compassion and gently figure out what's going on in a way that's curious and kind and not judgmental, then we're able to move through it with greater ease. We're able to find a space where we can understand ourselves and understand what's going on and then keep moving forward so that we're not judging ourselves and we're not beating ourselves up, but that we're really creating new patterns. We're really creating the life that we desire, like I'm always talking about. So I challenge you this week to allow yourself to be aware and connected to what are those thoughts that you're thinking? What are they trying to tell you? And not in a way that you get so connected to them that they slow you down, but in a way that's curious, in a way that allows you to be light and say, you know what? I want to know what's going on inside of me. I want to know what I'm thinking and understand what these thoughts are all about so that I can address them with care, with compassion, just like I would do the 2-year-old that I love in my life. We want to address ourselves with the same compassion that we would address the children in our lives, the people that we care about. I am Sherry Samuels, the voice coach, and this was your thought for the week.